Welcome to SethCraft. In this video, we're continuing the build of this 10 by 12 shed. The electrician has come and done some work, so I just want to walk through what he's done real quick, and I'll bring you back whenever he has finished the job. So let's start from the outside here. There is a main disconnect box right here. So we can open this panel up and see he's got the 240 down here for the mini split, and then up here are the two different breakers for the lights and outlets. Now we're having to also cut through the concrete with a concrete saw, and that's because power needs to be brought down from the attic space. So all power goes in through this box right here. Let me show you what's inside. The power enters in right here. The 240 mini split has not been wired up yet, but power then goes over here to an outlet and then continues on over, and that's going to go up here. We've got some power through the ceiling space. We've got a couple of spots for some pendant lighting. It also has a spot over here that's going to go down for light switch, as you can see right there. It also continues over here and goes outside for an exterior light. And there's also an outlet over here and a place for an exterior receptacle there. This side has wiring for some LED can lights to go in, and also has two different boxes for the power over here as well. That's the electrician's first day of work. I'll bring you back whenever he has finished up and show you the final, hopefully signed off electrical install here in this 10 by 12 building. The electrician has been back. Let me show you what he has accomplished here. So you can see now there is wire coming out of this box here, goes down to a grounding rod, which is right down here. This conduit goes, there's also a second line here, which goes down, and this sweeps around here and then goes up into the house right up under here. A mini split is going to be installed in here, and that mini split, I believe, will be somewhere up here. We've not quite decided yet, but that's going to be for that. Now all of the boxes are wired. I don't remember if I showed that in the previous step. He's also placed some of this little caulking up in here, and all the wiring is hanging down in preparation for some lights. And anyway, it's nice to see that this place is ready for power. I think all of this was just inspected and checked, so the next step will be for us to go ahead and start doing insulation in here and sheetrock before he puts in the final boxes right in there. For inspection purposes, the electrician has returned and finished everything here inside of our building. Let me show you around. Light switches and covers have been put on here at the front door, as you can see right there. All of the receptacles are in, and the plates are on there as well. If we move around, you can see all of the receptacles on the side are done also. And now if you move up here to the top, he has capped the lighting here so that the inspector could check things out. And I will have to do one more thing today. We're going to be installing a mini split up here. And so I'm going to be installing a receptacle so that we can plug that in up here. So I did not do the electrical for this building. We had a professional come in and get that done for us. All that I have done is take wire from this box here and bring up this right here, which is just a 120 that we're going to be able to hook up a mini split to. So you'll have to stay tuned for whenever we get the mini split up here in this corner, which will do both heat and cool. So let's go ahead and just take a quick look at the electrical one last time before we close out this video. So here at the front, we have light switches. One of these is going to do the outside and one will do the inside. So we have the two cans up here at the top. One is right up here and one is over there, and that will have pendant lighting. We'll probably install that at a later time. I'll try to bring you along for that. We have receptacles here. This is going to be a desk space, so there are 4 right there. We've got one on this wall, one over here. I believe there's one, let's see if there is one back here. Yeah, yep, we've got one there. And then lastly, one right over here. Oh yeah, and this one right here as well. Now they did add some receptacles outside. This exterior box was put in. It has the foam so that it is waterproof. And then also an exterior light was put in. I think it's going to look really nice. This should be able to function here. Let me go ahead and flip the switch on. See if it's that one. Yep. There we go. So that light is now turned on. I did speak to the homeowner, and this was put in just in case they want a network cable run out here to this building. You can see over here the ground rod is put in for the outbuilding. And then if I open this up, it does have a 240 for the mini split, but we decided to go ahead and put in that other outlet up there just on the 120. So that is what that is for. That's just a short and sweet update on the electrical work that was done here in the 10 by 12 outbuilding. I'm Seth with the SethCraft channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.